Hey guys, I wanted to show you how you could schedule a Facebook Live video. So if you have a business page and you know you're going to go live, you can schedule a post so it will look like this, so people can actually click on it and knowing that you will go live. So the way you do this is you go up on your business page, you go to Publishing Tools, and then you go to Video Library right here. And then you basically click on plus live, okay? And you can right here on the right hand side, you're able to click schedule and get it all set up. You can even add like a little picture or anything to it as well. And then you will see it like it's scheduled in on your business page. So once you go to your business page right here, your customers can click on get reminder. But what you can also do is if you're doing virtual parties, you can share this in your virtual parties right now so people can click on getting a reminder. So up here you just click on shared in an event, and you can find your virtual parties or whatever, or not. There we go. So you can share it to your virtual parties and say, come join us today for Jennifer's virtual party. So that way you don't have to do it while you're already live, and you can just get straight to business. So thought I would share this tip with you guys.